Hi, Teacher Dirk. I want to go to Canada. So can I go to Canada by MRT?
Yes, of course you can, certainly. All right. You can take the MRT to go to the airport. If you are not close to the MRT, you can even take a bus. Buses go to the airport as well. But I'll be on the trip. So you want to join me? Go
Sure.
with me?
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go. Thank you. Please just stay right there. I'm sure there's something in this bag which is illegal. Water. May we take water on an airplane? No, we may not.
No.
Is that only?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, may we take knives on an airplane? No, of course not. Ooh. I hope that's all you have.
I think that will be it.
No, look at this.
Oh.
Oh, may we take meat on an airplane? No, absolutely not. You are in serious trouble.
Oh, so.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Teacher Dirk, and today we are going to take you in the airplane. Of course, security already did a job. Security stopped this passenger to move into the airplane with illegal equipment. Water? No water. No knives, and please, no meat. You will get a very heavy fine for bringing it illegal into the country.
OK， 所以小朋友记得哦，下次你旅行的时候，在你的随身行李里面，或者是你的行李箱里面，都不可以有水、有肉，还有危险物品，像打火机啊，或者是刀子之类的哦。
And now we are in customs. Once we've cleared security, you're not on the plane yet. No, no, no. You still have to go through customs. Now, customs is where they will stamp your passport. Yes, there are 3 very important documents you need. The first one is a passport. Right? Can you say that? Passport? Yes, that's very good. And you need a ticket, a paid ticket from an agency. All right? So, passport and ticket. Passport, ticket. Passport, ticket. Yes. Once you have that, you can get a boarding pass. Those 3 documents are very important. A passport, a ticket, and a boarding pass. Then you go through customs, but of course you need to know where you want to fly to. So yes, we all need to say together, and I want to see your hands, please. We say, I want to fly to the USA. All right. And if you want to go to another country, we can say, I want to fly to the UK. Yes. How about Australia? Let's say together, I want to fly to Australia. Very good. Yeah. Let's try some more. Other countries. Let's say, I want to fly to Japan. All right, very good. And for those of you who want to fly to Canada, let's say together, I want to fly to Canada. Now it's your turn. Can you say a country that you want to fly to? I want to fly to... Oh, yes. We can fly to other countries. Can we fly to Taiwan? No, we cannot, because we are in Taiwan. We cannot fly to Taiwan. So customers and passengers will come to customs with their documents, and then we will stamp their passport. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you tell me where you want to fly to?
I want to fly to Canada.
Okay. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Here you are.
Thank you very much. All right. Ticket, okay. Passport, okay. And there you are.
Thank you.
Please go right through. Your seat is number 2C. And enjoy your flight.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you. That is how the passengers go onto the plane. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard our flight today to Canada. I am Captain Dirk. I will be in the flying position of this flight today, and I will have a co-pilot with me. Of course, we also have to serve you today. We have the flight attendant. All right? Flight attendant are the persons that will serve you with some food and drinks in the cabin. Now, if you look around you, you will see some windows on the side. You have window seats, and in the middle, you have aisle seats. Yes, it's spelled a little bit different, but aisle, A-I-S-L-E, just think about the aisle seats. All right. So we will be flying at 23,000 feet today, and we will have clear skies. The weatherman has predicted that there will be no rain, no thunderstorms, so we think we will have a very clear flight. From me, Captain Dirk, you hope that you have a nice flight. Enjoy. Oh, can you please put on the seat belt?
Seat belt?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It is for your own safety. And now just pull the string to the one side so that it's very tight.
Okay.
Good. That's very nice. Oh, can you please take your feet off the footrest?
Oh, this one?
Yes, just take your feet off there. Thank you very much. Okay. Seat is up straight, so that is good. And the bag. Can you please put the bag under the seat?
Under the seat.
When there's a problem, we don't want things flying around in the airplane. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It is very important that we have safety rules on the airplane. Okay, so please make sure your seat belt is fastened. Take your feet off the footrest and all loose luggage under the seat. And now once the airplane is in the air and we are flying, it is time for the flight attendants to serve some dinner. Now, how do we ask for food on the plane? So the flight attendant will come to you and will say, do you want to eat something? Do you want to eat something? And the answer should be yes. Yes, I want to eat a sandwich. Right? Do you want to eat something? Yes, I want to eat bread. Okay. Do you want to eat something? Yes, I want to eat? Can you say again? Yes, that is the easy one. Salad. Very good. All right, and we have some more specific meals. Do you want to eat something? Yes, I want to eat. And I wonder who can tell me, what is this? Yes, this is rice. This is very easy. And with the rice goes curry. So, curry and rice. One more time. Curry and rice. Excellent. Right, there's another meal that is very famous when we are on the plane. Okay? It is spaghetti. All right, that's Italian food. Say one more time. Spaghetti. All right. And after we've eaten our food, of course, we want to drink something. So, do you want to drink something? Yes. I want to drink some. Yes, you're right. Water. Do you want to drink something? Yes. I want to drink coffee. Do you want to drink something? Yes. I want to drink some milk. Very good. Yes. And do you want to drink something? Yes. I want to drink some juice. All right. So this is how you can order some food on the plane. Now, may I please take your order? Do you want to eat something?
What's on the menu?
Oh, today's special is curry and rice or spaghetti.
Okay. I want some spaghetti, please.
Okay. Sure. Here you are.
Thank you.
Okay. And would you like something to drink?
What do you have?
Oh, we have some water. We have coffee, milk, or juice.
Oh, I'll take water, please.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It is our job to make sure you are comfortable on the plane. All right. And then once you finish your meal, you can also ask me for something to read. You know, we supply a magazine, or you can read today's newspaper. So you can just order for that.
May I have the magazine, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you.
Okay. Are you done with the meal?
Yes. Thank you.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Glad you enjoyed it. All right. And then normally a flight is quite long, so people will get tired. All right. So we have something. When you get tired, you need a... Anybody know what we call this? Yes, it's a pillow. Can you say that one more time? Pillow. All right. You need a pillow?
Yes. Thank you.
But you know, when we are very high up in the air, sometimes it gets very chilly and cold. So what do we have for that? We have a blanket. You see? A blanket, it will keep you up warm. So here is a blanket as well.
Thank you.
After the flight, before we touch down, the captain will make an announcement and it will say that we are going to land. All the passengers need to wake up. They will hand back their equipment, the pillows and the blankets. They will fold it and put it on the seat. They have to make sure they take all their belongings, all the bags, everything they have. And then once they have landed, we will leave by the exit door.
Hello everyone. So today we have been through security. So remember, when you go through the security, make sure you don't bring any meat, any water, or any dangerous items with you. And when you go through the customs, make sure you have your passport, your ticket, and your boarding pass.
When you're in a cabin, make sure you follow the rules. As the captain said, that you have to make sure about the safety belt, all loose items under the seat. And then when you order the meat, please always be friendly to the flight attendants. They have a tough job to do.
I'm Teacher Rosie.
And from me, Teacher Dirk, until your next flight, thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.